Security Service Federal Credit Union is a federally chartered credit union in Texas, Colorado, and Utah. We've got roughly 72 branch facilities with our headquarters being right here in San Antonio, Texas.
We had outgrown our previous facility, which led us to purchasing some new property to develop a new campus on.
In designing this new campus, certainly one of our concerns was making this building energy efficient.
We were very keen towards looking at, kind of future-proofing.
One of the things that we came across in our due diligence process was the solutions providers of Legrand as well as Opticool. Both of these entities partnered together with their products and services allowed us to drastically reduce the energy consumption.
They did want to understand what our requirements were, where we came from, what we were looking for in the future.
One of the things that you'll see with our data center is that it doesn't look like the data center of yesterday. It's not on a raised floor. We're built on a slab floor. It doesn't have underfloor cooling or power. It's all overhead.
We decided to go with a 52U rack. One of our concerns with going with a tall rack like that was density, but that plays right into Opticool's wheelhouse. I can't put equipment in there that they can't keep cool.
And we've got the cabinet, and inside the cabinet we've got the Raritan PDUs. Previously we didn't have the visibility to the power consumption within the cabinets that we have today.
We have a red and a blue Raritan PDU in every rack, and we know this one's coming off A power, this one's coming off B power, just by looking.
We had obviously the optical doors, and then if we move above that, we've got cable management systems, so raceways. We've got the structured cabling through there. We've got fiber management. The raceways all lead back to the Mighty Mo 4-post rack systems that contain our core networking equipment. We've got the cable management as well. It provides a very clean environment that's protected and secure.
Availability to our membership is key. We wanted to make sure we had redundancy both in power, cooling, everywhere we possibly could.
With having all this from a single provider, we've got that end-to-end warranty solution, which is something that we were really striving for in the build of this data center. They create a custom SKU specific to Security Service Credit Union. When it's time to add another cabinet, we specify that we need the Opticool ready cabinet. When that cabinet and door comes, all of the necessary fastening hardware and attachments are there, and it's just kind of click, click, and there you go, you're on your way.
Through our partnership with Opticool and Legrand, this has not only allowed us to become far more efficient, but we've also been able to apply for a rebate through our local energy provider, which has provided us the opportunity to recoup $250,000 in rebate incentives from CPS Energy.
Opticool and Legrand, those two products work together perfectly. It's a simple, efficient solution.
A lot of the successes for the building of this data center, key components of that was the work from Opticool and Legrand.
Through our partners and the consultants that we had, we were able to certainly figure it out, and I think that we ended up with a great looking data center, a great functioning data center, and one that'll serve us well into the future.